Good morning, everyone. My name is Thinakon Jambupanamakin and my name is Thanakon Kamakao. Today, we would like to present about the five most beautiful girls. Football is the most popular sport in the world, and we sure that everyone knows football. The origin of football is in China. We tell Suzhou later. English have incorporated football, or we can say England is the origin of football. When we play football, the goal is the most important for the player that should have advanced skill. Let's see the five most beautiful